To open and read a PDF file on your Samsung Galaxy S26 is fairly simple. You just need to ensure that you have a PDF reader downloaded onto your phone, sorry. Now, luckily for us, whenever you first set up your device, you'll notice you already have two pre-installed PDF readers ready for you to use. You have Samsung Notes and you have OneDrive. Again, if you have your own preferred option, you can always just go ahead and download it. Then find the PDF that you wish to open up, whether it's been sent to you by a WhatsApp or it's in your downloads. And then you're going to long press on that PDF file and you're going to select More. From here, choose the option Open With and choose one of the PDF readers that are available. Once you've made your choice, you can now set it to just once or to always. It's up to you. And now, whenever you open up any PDF files, it should open in that specific PDF reader that you've just chosen. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.